Hey guys, are you looking fat tire electric bike under $2,000? In this video I will show you top 5 best fat tire electric bike under $2,000 to buy right now. I made this list based on my personal opinion and our research, and I have a list of them based on their quality, durability, price, and more. To find out more information about these products you can check out the links down in the description. Also make sure you subscribe to stay up to date with the latest technology video. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 5. Brand name, LANKELEISI, model number, MG740 Plus. The MG740 Plus electric vehicle is equipped with a front and rear dual-drive 1000-watt high-speed brushless motor which has large torque and strong climbing ability. Instead of pushing a cart up the hill, climb up the hill as if you were walking on the ground. The LCD meter on the handlebar allows you to monitor your riding data clearly at any time. The 26-inch fat tires and 7-speed shifting gears bring you a comfortable and smooth ride on various terrains. Perfect choice for commuting, shopping, weekend trips and more. Adjustable seat height and handlebar height suit different riders' height to offer a comfortable riding position. With rigid aluminum alloy frame, this e-bike can accommodate maximum payload up to 180 kilograms. Number 4. Brand name, DERUIZ, model number, Lava. Fast, comfortable and confident DERUIZ bike is designed to handle all conditions perfectly, which will help you get out and ride more. Equipped with a powerful 750-watt motor, the top speed can reach 40 km/h. Removable 13 ampere-hour lithium-ion battery. In addition, it adds a power-saving system to the battery, motor and controller, increasing range and extending battery lifetime. Equipped with a 3.5-inch LCD display which makes it easier for you to see the driving date. High-quality metal frame, easy to install, which makes riding more comfortable and stable. Mechanical front and rear disc brake design and a 7-speed professional transmission system. Detachable waterproof line design, easy to replace accessories. The front fork with locking suspension can give you a feeling of security when you are off-road. Even on the rugged road, the mountain electric bike can easily ride uphill. You can charge it through the frame or outside of it, equipped with a smart lithium charger. Fast charging only takes 5 to 7 hours. Number 3. Brand name, Shengmilo, model number, MX-03. The electric bike is equipped with a high-speed brushless gear motor 48-volt 1000-watt. The motor uses permanent magnet stators instead of mechanical commutation and brushes to reduce friction loss and increase speed. Equipped with variable frequency speed regulation system, adaptive power frequency, can maintain horsepower at light load or high-speed operation. You can easily traverse any difficult terrain and reach your destination. The electric bicycle frame is made of aluminum alloy. Corrosion-resistant aluminum alloy is more durable, the body is lighter, the walking is faster and the power consumption is lower. The handlebar angle and seat height of our bikes for men can be adjusted, so you can adjust to the most comfortable riding posture. You don't have to worry about adapting to this electric bike. All this is for you to get a better riding experience. The e-bikes has a more atmospheric and high-end color LCD liquid crystal display, which can monitor the data of the entire electric bicycle for you. The transmission system of the entire electric bicycle comes from the Japanese brand Shimano. Make sure you switch more smoothly when riding, and you no longer have to worry about the problem of unsmooth gear shifting when exploring rough roads. The electric bikes for adults has 3 working modes: only throttle, pedal assist and only riding. You can choose any of the mode, depends on your riding situation. You can choose any mode you like. You can choose pure riding for exercise and throttle or pedaling assist for saving your energy. 3 working modes bring you more joy of riding. Intelligent control instrument. High-definition liquid crystal display instrument accurately displays battery capacity, speed, gear, riding mileage and escorts your riding. Lightweight, stronger shock absorption effect with rebound and locking function road or up and down the front fork closed, prevent riding effort. MX-03 rear axle is equipped with 7-stage speed change and it can switch freely when riding. The front and rear double hydraulic brake system, fast heat dissipation, fast braking, stable parking. Shengmilo MX-03 have a brand new look, with impressive high-quality components that bring lots of riding fun. With this off-road electric bike, you will complete your trip more comfortably and in style, and you can retest your limits. MX-03 is the full suspension monster truck that digs through every surface. Enjoy unique adventure with unprecedented trailside. Number 2. Brand name, AOSTIRMOTOR, model number, S17. The AOSTIRMOTOR S17 Fat Tire Mountain Electric Bike 1500 watt 48 volt is an extraordinary mountain bike with premium components, powerful front-rear disc brakes, a sturdy big front suspension fork and a strong 1500 watt motor. With front and rear suspension maneuverability and comfort are leveled up, no substitute for such a cushy ride on a full suspension e-bike. This is a mountain electric bicycle designed with the American flag as the main color. The bicycle frame is made up of red, white and blue. You can be sure of the most comfortable ride across whichever terrain your spirit chooses. The unique triangular frame gives the bike a sporty look and increases the payload capacity of the bike to 300 pounds. 7-speed Shimano gears and disc brakes provide safety and convenience while riding. Number 1. Brand name, QIYOU, model number, X20. The 2000 watt e-bike is equipped with 7-speed transmission system which can be a lot of help in different riding conditions. Mechanical dual disc brakes are responsible for your riding safety. LCD display shows you the mileage, speed, gear and other information clearly. The front-rear LED lights are for a safer riding on the road. The main sporty aluminum alloy frame and the 20-inch fat tires with 3-spoke rims catch the eye constantly. The fat tire electric bike can easily go on the snow, beach, mountain or tarmac. Lightweight material, stronger shock absorber with rebound and lock function, suitable for all kinds of terrain. The electric bike's range in electric mode is 30 to 40 miles, while its range in PAS mode is 50 or more miles.